Ka Office of District Sports Officer DSO East Kasils District haringkat kecingit trailang but ka Office of BDO Mylliem CNRD Block hak khat artrek unaibiang archapsan kila penlang ka First Level Block Youth Fest ha Meghalaya Agricultural Management and Extension Training Institute Mameti ha Upper Shillong kabadai lang ba ka Chief Minister's Youth Engagement Program. Kacing temu kani ka program kadai ban pelang ikcing yakop kum kacing thok khana lengkot Pyrthei cing kentep ag subject baper lani ka quiz kicing snadur bat airong kijing rai bat cing shat tenrai lam kiwe pan. Hagani ka sengi ha kacing play kani kacing yakop lai don lang di ka observe nong trai na Office of DSO East Kasils kumju na Office of BDO Mylliem CNRD Block hagabau ba poilang son thaumuj Junior Rural Development Officer CRDO kani ka block ula ai ka chingkran mai phang halor kani ka program.
This program are being conducted by the district level. So this is one of a kind to explore or to found to get the skill, the creative mind, the creativity of the youth on the Mylliem CNRD Block and then in the state as a whole. I really hope that your participation will not only be just participating in this program, but the main thing is give your heart and your soul to it so that you can grow from the block level. Once you get selected, you will be competing at the district level and then ultimately the national and the international level. So this program is to identify our youth, to identify the, as I've said, the skill that you all have. We have various activities like the quiz competition, the folk song, the folk dance, the poetry writing, story writing, arts and craft, and many others activities. I know that we have a hidden gem somewhere, but this is a platform to unearth that gem, to show to the world that even Mylliem Block has kind of a gem that can represent the block and ultimately to the district level, to the state level and to the national and international level. Take this opportunity as a next step, big things for you, not just to participate, but to give your all in various activities that you will be doing. So once again, I will not take a lot of time. I know that we have a lot of activities that needs to be done. We have more than 800 plus participants, so we need a lot of things to be complete.
Ladan hadu press person pengurut Samla kantai bat shenrang nagi school bat Shillong baper ka Mylliem CNRD Block kiba pedeng kerta khatsan bat arf naisnam kibla warshim menta hagi jinge ko baper shushu hadian kicing ko baper la penlang ru kicing sam kusnam sigin nong job bal la pen benaru bagbawana kerdan bandengkong kin yo ban mikmat ya ka block shaki district level competition.
Friend love Ibaya kemen shisha to feel. Shisha mensa.
Now let's all proceed to the center for one group photo, all the winners together. Please come forward, stand straight here and let's face to the camera. Right. Right, a very big congratulations, you're winners for the quiz competition.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin, bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka batau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam, ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag, ka jing im bakam bhag, pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.